Ready for war, war, war. Ready for war, war, war. Ready for war, let my war sing. You niggas ain't ready for war, war, war. Ready for war, war, war. Ready for war, war, war. Ready for war, let my war sing.
These walls are closing in. This roof is caving in. Oh, it's time to raise it then. Your days are numbered like pages in my book of rhymes. Got 'em cooking, boy. This crooked mind of mine got 'em all shook and scared to look in my eyes. I stole that fucking clock. I took the time and I came up from behind and pretty much snuck up and fuck this game up. Better be careful when you bring my name up. Fuck this fame, that ain't what I came to claim. The game ain't gonna be the same on the day that I leave it. But I swear one way or another, I'ma make these fucking haters believe it. I swear to God, won't spare to ride. I'm a man of my word, so your fucking head's better not. I'm gonna fuck around in this bitch and roast everybody. Sleep on me, that pillow is where your head alive. Permanently bitch, it's petty by. This world is my Easter egg, yeah, prepare to die. My head is full, my confidence is up. The stage is my pedestal. I'm unstoppable, incredible. Hulk, you're trapped in my medicine ball. I can run circles around you so fast your fucking head is spin, dog. I split your cabbage and your medicine. I'm in the fucking
war, war, war. Ready for war, war, war. Ready for war, war, war. Ready for war, let my war sing. You niggas ain't ready for war, war, war. Ready for war, war, war. Ready for war, war, war. Ready for war, let my war sing.
Hey, got some static with some niggas on the other side of town. Let my little cousin K-Roll, he's a rider now. What they want from us motherfucking thug niggas. Used to love niggas, now I plug niggas. It's slug niggas, am I wrong? Niggas making songs, trying to get with us. But we don't know stress, we in the West we trust. To the chest I bust, then we ride till the sun come. Shining back to brighten up the sky, I mean he died. Heard the Fugees was trying to do me. Look bitch, I cut your face, this ain't no motherfucking movie. Then we watch the other two die slow. Castrated, entertaining at my motherfucking sideshow. Band set my planning mode. Time to exterminate my foes. I can't stand you hoes. Now label this my fucking trick shot. My lyrics running all you cowards out of hip hop.
You niggas ain't ready for war, war. Ready for war, war, war. Ready for war, war, war. Ready for war, let my war sing. You niggas ain't ready for war, war, war. Ready for war, war, war. Ready for war, war, war. Ready for war, let my war sing. War, let my war sing.
I'm out this motherfucker. I could go. I wouldn't waste your motherfucking time with no bullshit, baby. Trust me, it's that real shit. I'm talking about that shit you gonna be telling your grandkids about. You know, I ran with a thug nigga. Believe that.
Shady. Aftermath.
Dedicated to all the DJs all over the world. Text in the place, everybody getting rainy. Punks better cuff your lady, can't nobody tame me. Blame me for keeping a runny yard rainy. Ladies used to hate me, now they come out, now they panties. Girls on the job, pocket full of socks. Got a fat knot, something don't squat. Down, down for the block. Try to be hot, but you flop, wanna be shot to the top, but you not. I ain't never seen so much green than when I seen when my team hit the scene. It must be a dream. Hit the stage, everybody holler. Getting thrown with the shows for a bigger dollar. Father, I don't wanna leave nobody too left. Cause they greedy in the middle of what I do best. You finna see me in the TV with a few guests. We bout to bubble, baby, get your waterproof vest.
Come get me. They can't fuck with the 5.0, bitch.
Hey, yo, Mimo, drop that shit.
Click, click, nigga, bang, bang, for that bang, bang. Nigga, get his about as insane as Saddam Hussein. Click, click, nigga, bang, bang. Give a fuck if you got him a gang, you got him a range. Click, click, nigga, bang, bang, for that bang, bang. Nigga, get his about as insane as Saddam Hussein. Click, click, nigga, bang, bang. Give a fuck if you got him a gang, you got him a range. Give a shit stain.
Nigga, we hit 'em up. People, how we do it, keep it real. It's penitentiary steel. This ain't no freestyle battle. All you niggas getting killed with your mouths open. Tryna come up off of me, you in the clouds open. realest is, niggas, we bring it to you. That's alright.
Click, click, nigga, bang, bang, for that bang, bang. Nigga, get his riders insane, the Saddam Hussein. Click, click, nigga, bang, bang. Give a fuck if you got him again, you out of my range. Click, click, nigga, bang, bang, for that bang, bang. Nigga, get his riders insane, the Saddam Hussein. Click, click, nigga, bang, bang. Give a fuck if you got him again, you out of my range. Give a shit stain.
Too bad you're off the map now. Radar can't even find you. We stay on the grind. You slip, we outgrind you. You walk around mad, you let your anger blind you. We walk around just playing the violin behind you. Enough with all the pissing and moaning, whining and bitching. Sit and observe, listen, you'll learn if you pay attention. Why 10 multi-platinum albums later, 3 diamond worldwide. You're in the charts with a bullet, you still climb. We swam with the sharks, wrestle with alligators. Spoke to a generation of angry